Imagine waking up one day to realize your life savings have vanished overnight. Sounds terrifying, right? But what if I told you that with a little understanding of cryptocurrency, you could turn that fear into an opportunity for financial empowerment? Picture this, a world where you're in control of your money, free from the constraints of traditional banks and government policies. How is this achievable? Cryptocurrency offers decentralized control, where you can manage and grow your wealth independently. Curious about how to navigate this brave new digital frontier safely? Enjoyed this intro? Hit the like button to show your support. As we stand on the brink of 2025, it's essential to grasp why crypto isn't just a passing trend, but a transformative force in finance. In this digital realm, your money is no longer shackled by traditional banking systems or government regulations. You hold the keys to your financial future. For newcomers stepping into this digital frontier, the challenge can seem daunting. The crypto landscape is vast and ever-evolving, filled with terms like blockchain, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Without a solid understanding, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed. But don't worry, this video aims to serve as your compass in this complex world. Why should you care? Through market fluctuations, the crypto market has shown incredible potential for growth. For example, the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies surged over 600% in just a few years. However, it's vulnerable to volatility. Missteps can lead to significant financial loss, but with knowledge comes power, the ability to navigate these waters safely and capitalize on opportunities that traditional finance might not offer. Comment below with your thoughts and questions about crypto. What will we cover today, especially for newcomers easing into crypto? We'll start by laying down the foundation of blockchain technology, which is the backbone of all cryptocurrencies. Understanding how it works will demystify many aspects of crypto transactions and security. We'll then explore the basics of buying, storing, and managing your digital assets securely, because knowing where to keep your crypto using reputable exchanges is crucial, can be just as important as earning it. We will also delve into some practical strategies for investing in cryptocurrency, tailored specifically for beginners. This includes understanding market trends, recognizing scams, and building a diversified portfolio aligned with your financial goals. Investing within reasonable limits is key. If you found these insights valuable, please like the video. Finally, we'll discuss how to stay informed and adapt as the world of crypto continues to evolve. By staying educated through reliable news, you can protect yourself from potential pitfalls while seizing new opportunities. Share your preferred crypto news sources in the comments. As someone who has been navigating this space for years, I'm here to guide you through these essential topics. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions about your financial future in the crypto world. Let's begin our journey into the heart of cryptocurrency and discover how it can be a game changer for you by 2025. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you have more questions or thoughts to share, please subscribe and stay tuned for our next exploration of navigating the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Now, how does blockchain impact your daily life? Consider smart contracts, self-executing contracts with terms directly written into code, eliminating intermediaries, reducing costs, and speeding up processes. For example, in real estate, a smart contract can automatically transfer property ownership once all conditions are met. This is just one way blockchain technology streamlines operations across various industries. Next, let's focus on how you can buy, store, and manage your digital assets safely. Using reputable exchanges is crucial when purchasing cryptocurrency, as they offer security features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for funds. Research thoroughly before choosing an exchange. Examine reviews and the platform's history of handling hacks or downtime. Once you've bought crypto, storing it securely is crucial. A digital wallet serves as your personal vault for holding cryptocurrencies. There are different types: hot wallets, which connect to the internet for easy access but carry more risk, and cold wallets, which are offline and thus more secure against hacking attempts. A hardware wallet, a more secure physical device, provides a good balance between security and convenience. Managing your digital assets means more than just storing them safely. It involves keeping track of your investments, understanding market trends, knowing when to buy or sell, and engaging with platforms that offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly in short periods. Staying informed through reliable news sources and community forums can help. Feel free to share your favorite crypto news sources in the comments below. As we shift gears to investing strategies tailored specifically for beginners, remember, investing in cryptocurrency requires a strategic approach. Start with clear financial goals. Are you looking to save for retirement, fund education, or build an emergency fund? Knowing your end goal guides how much risk you're willing to take. Enjoyed this intro? Hit the like button to show your support. Diversification is key to managing risk in crypto investments. Similar to traditional stocks, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies and even other asset classes like bonds or real estate if possible. This strategy can help mitigate losses if a particular cryptocurrency underperforms. Another important point is understanding the concept of hodling, holding on to crypto assets through market fluctuations in anticipation of long-term gains. While it might be tempting to sell during a downturn, staying patient can pay off if you believe in the asset's potential. We need to address common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. One major pitfall is falling for get-rich-quick schemes without doing proper research. Always scrutinize new projects and tokens, investigate their white papers, team backgrounds, and community support before investing. Another mistake is not setting a budget. Determine how much of your savings you're willing to risk in cryptocurrency and stick to this budget regardless of market conditions to avoid overextending yourself. If you found these insights valuable, please like the video. As we continue on this crypto journey together, engage with online forums and social media groups where experienced investors share insights and advice. Platforms like Reddit or Twitter can be invaluable for staying updated on trends and changes in regulations that might affect your investments. Platforms like Reddit or Twitter can be invaluable for staying updated on trends and changes in regulations that might affect your investments. Thank you for making it to the end. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected for more insights into the crypto world. Sharing knowledge helps us all grow, so feel free to leave comments or questions below. We're here to help each other succeed. By understanding blockchain technology, securely buying and storing your assets, implementing smart investment strategies, and avoiding common pitfalls, you'll participate safely in the crypto market. Building a solid foundation now, you'll be well prepared to take full advantage of what cryptocurrency has to offer by 2025. Thank you for joining us today. As we conclude our exploration of navigating the cryptocurrency landscape, let's reflect on what we've covered. We began by demystifying blockchain technology, the backbone of crypto, and how understanding it can empower you in this digital age. We then moved into actionable steps for securely buying and storing your assets, ensuring that your journey is safe and rewarding. We delved into smart investment strategies tailored for beginners, simplifying complex concepts with relatable examples. Making informed decisions is crucial as it can significantly impact your financial future. We also highlighted common pitfalls to avoid, equipping you with knowledge to sidestep potential mistakes that many newcomers face. Throughout this journey, we've emphasized the importance of community and continuous learning. Engaging with forums and social media groups provides invaluable insights and keeps you updated on industry trends and regulatory changes. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your proactive approach is key to mastering cryptocurrency. To summarize our key takeaways, understanding blockchain technology is fundamental. It's the foundation upon which all crypto operates. Securely buying and storing your assets protects your investments from threats like hacks or scams. Smart investment strategies help navigate market volatility with confidence. Smart investment strategies help navigate market volatility with confidence. Finally, avoiding common pitfalls ensures a smoother journey into the world of cryptocurrency. As you move forward, your ability to participate in this evolving financial landscape is both possible and empowering. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your insights could be incredibly valuable to fellow viewers. Before we part ways, please hit that like button if this content has resonated with you. Subscribe for more insights into the crypto world and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. In our next video, we'll explore important emerging trends and technologies shaping the future of finance. Stay tuned. Your journey in cryptocurrency is just beginning, and with each step, you're becoming more equipped to navigate this dynamic field. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and remember that your financial future can be as exciting and rewarding as you make it. Thank you for being with us today, and here's to a bright crypto future ahead.